Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to manage backup to OneDrive on this laptop. First, open the Start menu right here, then go to Settings, then select Accounts, scroll down to Windows Backup section, open it, and in this menu, click Manage, and on the following, Manage Sync Settings next to OneDrive folder syncing. And once you click Manage Sync Settings, you'll be able to decide which folders on your laptop you want to sync with OneDrive. Once you're content with your choice, click Save Changes. And in a short while, your folders will be synced with OneDrive. You can also choose if you want to remember your apps on this device, or remember your preferences, or remember only certain preferences that you select. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.